best buds, it's Cathy with Cathy's Garden, and I am so excited that you've joined me today. Today I'm going to show you my ArtyMaze Rustic Winter Junk Journal. But first, let's have our shout out to Joyce, Cecilia, Trudy, Jane, Debbie, Aesthetically Yours, Christy B65, and Nancy. I appreciate each and every one of you. All right, you guys, I absolutely love how this turned out. As I said before, that this is an ArtyMaze, and the printables she entitled Rustic Winter, and that's what I really like about it. It's not Christmas themed, so you can give it as a Christmas gift and it will carry them through the winter months. Oh, that is exciting to me. All right, you guys, it's 9 by 6 approximately. It has 28 pages, not including the cover. It has 37 removable pieces of ephemera plus a bookmark. Let's begin. It's got some lace here on the spine. It does have a little spine. It is hand sewn. It has sari silk tied around it. And it has the bookmark right here. We'll go look at it a little bit later, but it's all fancy. It's got some tassels, it's got some bells, it jingles. It's got some bells down here and the other part of the bookmark, the other end. Alrighty, let's go ahead and open it. So the sari silk is really for decoration. It has a closure here that is the Velcro closure. So it closes, you can see it better right here. It closes very nicely. And let's open it up. Ooh la la. Okay, on this page right here, we have music paper. We have a few labels right down here, and we have a double pocket. So in our first pocket, we have this postcard. It's beautiful with the elk. And we have this one here, and it's got some stamped out flowers on the corners there. You can see it better right here. Coffee dyed, of course. Isn't that beautiful? So the back pocket is right here, and the first pocket is right here. Alrighty, and on this page we have a beautiful bird and the greenery and a tuck spot that has a little book that's filled with the green papers and the coffee dyed paper, and it just flips. It puts, we can put it right back in like this. Lost my words there for a second. It has some lace on the edge, and on this page we have another pocket. We have the snowflakes and the green jewels in the middle. Beautiful tree. And we have this beautiful little journaling card that you can journal. It has the music paper in the back. We have this little birdie here, and it's a little journaling card and lots of journaling space right there. We have a decorated clip here, a paper clip, and it's got some bells and some ribbon and some sari silk right here. And we have another little journaling card that has some sewn pieces right there and some music paper. I used some of that corner lace and paper corner. I used it in this journal here with the snowflakes and the jewels in the center. Here we have a cluster right here and some more of that little collaging that we made in an earlier video. Here's another tuck spot here. It's got two more journaling cards. It's a double tuck as well, so we can stick this right in the back. Oh, I take it back. It is not double. It is single. I thought that was another double. That, I guess, is further on in the book. Okay. So here we have another tuck spot, and we have a little book, little booklet with some pages in here, coffee dyed pages. Has been sewn around the edges And a little cluster down here with some green fabric. And we'll pull this up closer so you can see. Okay. Now here we have a nice little cluster, and we have another paper clip with a envelope here. Beautiful little birdie, isn't he? And inside we have another tag. So let's just pop that right back on, just like that. I have begun my Christmas shopping already. In fact, I'm done except for stockings. So this little belly band goes sideways, and I used the tickets that came in this kit, and I zigzagged in between and used some washi, and so that's my belly band. And I decorated this tag up with the snowflakes and the sparkles, the little gold jewels in this one. This flips right in there. I love this page. I'm not sure if it's because it's the red or the fact that, I don't know, it just pops for me. But this folds out just like this for extra journaling space. And then over here we have another beautiful tag. We have a corner tuck in this one with a couple of little tickets. Now these tickets are not from ArtyMaze kit right here. These three items here are not from ArtyMaze kit. We have another little envelope, and this one has a letter in it, just like this. I'm not sure, but it might be a Roxy creation letter. I'm not real positive about that, but I think it is. I'm going to put it this way. I like it that way. And a beautiful doily that's coffee dyed. A little cluster here with some more of those tickets, and a little miniature postcard. Okay. And then this right here, I do think this one's a Roxy Creations letter with a little cluster, a very tiny little side tuck with a bookmark type journaling card. And it's got the lace and the snowflakes with the jewels in the center. And a little journaling spot right here. And right here. Now this paper, I coffee dyed it and stamped it, and I did a video quite a long time ago, and that is some of that paper that I made in that video. This little paper clip has some bells on it, and they really do jingle. Another beautiful envelope, and inside this envelope, I know for sure this was Roxy's creation letter. I do know that one for sure. And put that right back in there. And I am going to hook it back together. Like I said, this is available in my Etsy store. Oh my goodness, this is a little card, just like that. It has some stamping down here. And it fits right in this belly band that has some fabric and some jewels, some lace on the end. And here's another one of those pages that I use the corner embellishment. And it's got the doily and the beautiful tree card, but I made it a flip out of this card. So this card flips, and you can journal here and here as well, and you can journal here, and you can write on this if you'd like. So lots of journaling spacing, even though we have lots of tucks and pockets. All right, we've come to the center, and this one is not removable, but it has, I put little pocket or cluster of paper right here to write on that little tag. And this one, I made a little pocket, and it is a double pocket, and it's got this nice moose on here. Isn't he cute? Oh my goodness, I like him so much. And has the green backing on that one. I think this page is very colorful. Now here we have an embossed white bag, and inside the bag we have some more little tags. So it's a nice tuck spot that you can add more to if you would like. A nice doily and a faux envelope that flips down that you can do some more journaling on. Here we have a pocket made from some coffee dyed paper, and our book page our bookmark just slips down in there and it folds out for more writing. A little cluster down here at the bottom, and we have another bookmark type little journaling card. I like this page too. Maybe it's the red that I'm drawn to. I do love red. And then we have this little cluster, and we have this side pocket that has this little card that has tag that has been backed with some green splattered paper and decorated with some bling and some cotton. And we have another little letter that is added into this side tuck right here. Okay, now here we have a little tuck made from one of the miniature postcards and just a tag. Now this tag is not a ArtyMaze tag. I think it's a Tim Holtz tag. And I just added it there because I loved the color. I just thought it made it pop. And I put this paper clip here to ensure that it holds on to the tag. And this is another one of those letters, and it's got a bell sewn on the piece of lace with some ribbon. I think that's really cute. I love that one. And it has another coffee dyed doily, another side tuck with a journaling card, another one of those. Now this time it's put on some coffee dyed paper. I think that's beautiful, and it blends in nicely with the moose. I don't know if that's a moose or a reindeer. I don't know what that is. But I put it on a little half piece of paper, so it's mounted right, the tag is mounted right on. You flip, you can journal on this page, and you can journal on this page. And this is where the bookmark is, you guys. I love this little bookmark. I'm going to bring it up so you can see it. And it has a tree on both sides, and it has the red dangled bling here. It's got some hearts on it. I just think that just turned out so pretty. And then it just lays right in any page that you want to mark where you are in your journaling. And this one right here flips out this way. So this card is a flip. And this card is a belly band. So I made this into a belly band. And this little card has got some green paper and some material and a zigzag, and you flip it up for a secret spot. Alrighty, now let's just turn this right on over. We have another one of those bookmarks that you fold out for extra journaling, and it's in this slender little pocket here and a nice little spot. And I just used the reverse of where I stamped out the little stamps of snowflakes. I put the reverse in there too. I thought that was pretty with the reverse side. And then here we have another flip of our tag that you can journal, and some more of that beautiful corner combination. I put it on the top corner this time. Now we have some shaker cards that I made with some vellum, so it's kind of like snowy. They're not real bright, but they're beautiful, and they are so much fun. It's a double shaker card and the fact that it has a double pocket, and there's another small one. And this one has the bell that hangs. And we have another little flip right here that you can journal and put a little secret spot right there. I always like those secret spots. Here's another little tuck with another one of those little booklets that you can write on. And it just fits right in here, just like that. And last but not least, we have another little double tuck with the paper from the kit, and it's coffee dyed inside, so it's a nice little journaling area. It's in the back tuck, and another one of the cards that comes with the kit, and it goes in the front pocket. Oh, you guys, I absolutely love this journal, and I hope that you have enjoyed this flip through. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will love to see you in my next video. I'll see you there, guys. Bye now.